Hey guys, I'm back. Well, got the shop fan out. It's that time of year. It's springtime for us over here. Everything's starting to turn green. So this shop fan has been converted to 4 speeds. This thing had a 4-speed motor already, so I just hooked up the other wire, rewired the whole fan. But it's kind of a mess in there, but it's the best I can get it. But yeah. Well, the only problem is, Jordan, I did change the pitch of the blades. I pitched them a little bit more, but the problem is, if you remove the grill, because the grill's restrictive, the back grill, it moves more air. It needs a grill like this, not like this. See, there's the fan motor. Blower motor, actually. But this thing still moves a ton of air. But it's got 4 speeds now. Let's kick it on low. There's low. We'll wait until I remove the grill. You can hear that air restriction go away. Now medium low. Without that grill on, it moves more air. But it's moving really fast. Now medium high. It's close to high, but now high, full power. Without that grill on, it's moving a ton of air. But we're gonna put the grill on for safety reasons. It's the only reason why I have the grill on. This is the only. This grill is restrictive, but see how it's sucking in there? Really got vacuum on there, pretty good. But it still moves air. Even though I did the pitch of the blades a little bit about the same, but this thing blows. Now for the spin down. Let's go from the back so I can see it a little bit better. But if you want to see how deep the blades are, they are deep. They are pretty deep, so, I mean, the grill is restrictive. That's the problem with the whole thing. The grill is restrictive, very restrictive, but, you know, I understand what you're saying. I mean, change the pitch of the blades. I know I've done that just a while ago and it does the same thing. It's because the grill is restrictive. But, anyways, I'll try to replace the grill. Subscribe to Lamont, subscribe to Jordan, and subscribe to Lewis and Random Ceiling Fan Collector and all of them. Subscribe to them. And subscribe to me. See y'all later and out.